Eating bananas offers several health benefits that make them a nutritious addition to your diet. Here are some reasons why you should consider including bananas in your meals. 1. Nutrient-rich. Bananas are packed with essential nutrients such as vitamin C, vitamin B6, potassium, magnesium, dietary fiber, and antioxidants. These nutrients are important for maintaining good overall health and supporting various bodily functions. 2. High in potassium. Bananas are particularly known for their high potassium content. Potassium is an essential mineral that helps maintain proper heart function, supports muscle contractions, and regulates blood pressure. Consuming bananas can contribute to a healthy balance of potassium in your body. 3. Good source of dietary fiber. Bananas contain both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels and lowers cholesterol, while insoluble fiber aids digestion and promotes bowel regularity. Including bananas in your diet can help support a healthy digestive system. 4. Energy boost. Bananas are a great source of natural sugars, including glucose, fructose, and sucrose. These sugars provide a quick and easily digestible source of energy, making bananas an ideal snack before or after physical activity. 5. Mood and brain health. Bananas contain an amino acid called tryptophan, which the body converts into serotonin, a neurotransmitter associated with mood regulation. Consuming bananas can help boost serotonin levels, promoting a sense of well-being and potentially aiding in reducing symptoms of depression. 6. Heart health. The potassium and fiber content in bananas, along with their low sodium content, contribute to heart health. Potassium helps maintain proper heart rhythm, while the fiber content helps reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. 7. Weight management. Bananas can be a satisfying and nutritious snack choice for those looking to manage their weight. They are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, which can help you feel fuller for longer and reduce overeating. 8. Improved digestion. Bananas are easily digestible and can help soothe the digestive tract. They contain pectin, a type of fiber that can aid in normalizing bowel movements and alleviating symptoms of constipation. Remember that while bananas offer many health benefits, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet that includes a variety of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and other nutritious foods to support overall health and well-being.